Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here an outdoor rugged style smartwatch, the H11 Smartwatch. If you are thinking whether it is almost the same with a Q11 smartwatch, I think it is just the same wearable but rebranded. Okay, so H11 and Q11, they almost have the same style and specifications. Okay, I'm planning to get the Q11 so we can have a comparison, and let's see if they do have the same features. Okay, anyway, let's focus on the H11, and on this video we are going to have the unboxing of this wearable. We'll check its design, the specs, and the UI. As you can see here, it is using the Laxas Fit application and it is wireless charging. Okay, if you have any questions regarding the H11 smartwatch, if you want to know more about this wearable, drop a comment below, and of course watch this video, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the H11 smartwatch. Before we proceed on removing the smartwatch, okay, unboxing, let's check first the packaging. So we have a black color here, and as you can see, it is powered by Laxas Fit application. It is wireless charging. We have some details here for the features on the side, the same on the other side, and at the back we have the QR code for the support app. We have the black color. We don't have any details here on the specifications, but I will give the specs later on when we check the wearable. Okay, so simple packaging for the H11 smartwatch. And let's start. Let's unpack the H11 smartwatch. Let's remove the plastic here. If you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's check the contents of the H11 smartwatch. Remove the cover here. We have the user manual available in different languages. Okay, we have the charging cable, USB type A, magnetic and wireless charging. We have the sporty strap with a stainless steel buckle, and we have the smartwatch. Again, the contents of the wearable are, or the H11 are, the flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin here. We have the smartwatch, the wireless charger, and the user manual. Okay, so here are the contents. Next, let's weigh in the smartwatch before we attach the strap. So let's check the weight of the wearable. We have 00, and the weight of the wearable is around 31.66 grams. If you attach the strap, okay, still less than 50 grams. Very lightweight wearable. 48. Okay. Then for the strap, let's attach the strap before we check on the design. Okay, is it okay? Attached already? Seems like very easy to attach this strap. Another one. Okay, so the wearable, if we remove this one, it has, I think, based on the images, the wearable do have a very slim black border, and seems like it is. Okay, so here's a closer look at the design. So we have a crown button here. I don't know if this is rotary. Seems like it's a rotary button. Okay. Can you hear the sound? The rotating sound. We have an LED flashlight here, built-in LED flashlight. So wireless charging, cover for the sensor, plastic back cover, plastic bezel here. Okay, it looks sporty. It looks like an outdoor smartwatch when it comes to design, and looks rugged. Okay, again, I'm going to turn this on so we can appreciate the beauty of the Lexus Fit, or the H11 Smartwatch powered by Lexus Fit. Okay, do we have a small border? Yes. Okay, we do have a very slim black border here. Okay, what do you think of the smartwatch? I think it's okay for its price. Okay, for the dimension, let's see. So it is around 50. Okay, and 41. For the thickness here without the sensor, it is around 11.6. So a lightweight smartwatch with a medium size body frame. Okay, so what do you think of the design? Next, let's check out the specifications. So the smartwatch, based on the promotional images, it has a 1.96 inch TFT LCD. I'm going to put it here. Bluetooth 5.2 for its connectivity. 420 mAh battery, providing the smartwatch with 7 to 10 days of normal usage. I don't know if it's real or not. 50 days of standby time, and it has a 3 ATM waterproof body, and compatible with Android 4.4 and above, iOS 9.0 and above. Check out the full specs here, and it is using the Lexus Fit application. Okay, next, let's check out the UI of the wearable. Notifications on top. On the bottom part, we have the dashboard for different apps. Okay, then on the right side we have the cards. For the flashlight, let's see, can we activate the flashlight? How do we activate it? On the bottom part? No, maybe it's here on the menus. Okay, that's it. Double press the ground button. Aside from rotary, it has a special function here. Can activate the flashlight. Okay, so that's nice. Okay, pressing the power button here once shows the menu. Pressing it twice, you can turn on the flashlight or turn it off. Okay, so that's it for our unboxing review of the design, the specs, and the UI of the H11 Smartwatch with the Lexus Fit application. Okay, if you have any questions regarding the unboxing review, drop a comment below. Bye.